So look at example 14. The figure shows the electric entering charged parallel plate with the speed of 5.45 times 10 to the power of 6 meter per second. So the electric field produced by the parallel plate has deflected the electron downward by the distance of 0.618 cm at the point where the electron exists. Okay, so here is Sx, here is Sy. Okay, so determine the magnitude of the electric field. So here we have Sx. Okay, so electron entering charge speed here is Ux because they entering perpendicularly. So Sx equal to Uxt. So Ux is 5 times 5.45 times 10 to the power of 6. Sx is 2.25 times 10 to the power of negative 2. And then we get time is equal to 4.13 times 10 to the power of negative 9 second. Okay, so we want to determine E. We can use Sy equal to Uyt plus half at squared. Okay, why we use plus? Because acceleration is not influenced by gravity. That's why kita guna negative macam kita buat projectile motion. Okay, so that's why kita guna sahaja plus. Kita tak ganti pun G ni 9.81, kita ganti dengan nilai A. Okay, so as you can see that Uy is 0 because Ux entering because U is entering perpendicularly, so automatically Uy is equal to 0. So Sy is 0.618. Okay, so 0.618 times 10 to the power of negative 2. Half A is come from, okay, A formula is come from A is equal to Q naught E over M. Okay, Q naught is 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19. Okay, times with E divided by mass of electron. Okay, mass of electron is 9.11 times 10 to the power of negative 31. Okay, this value we substitute in A. Okay, so substitute in this. Negative 31. Okay, so T means yang tadi 4.13 times 10 to the power of negative 9. Okay, power of 2. Okay, finally we get E is equal to 4125.88 and C negative 1. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so next, the speed of the electron when it exists the parallel plate. So the speed must be considered as V equal to Vx square plus Vy square. Okay, so as you can see that Vx always equal to Ux. 545 times 10 to the power of 6 ms negative 1. Okay, so kita ada Vy. So Vy kena cari. Vy is equal to Uy minus Vy plus Ayt. Because the direction of A is, they said, about downward direction, but it's okay. So Uy is negative. So A you substitute macam tadi lah, this one. Okay, so 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19. Okay, times with E 4125.88. Okay, so next is 9.11 times 10 to the power of negative 31. Okay, so times with T. Times with T is 4.13 times 10 to the power of 9, negative 9. Okay, so we get Vy is 2.99 times 10 to the power of 6 ms negative 1. Okay, substitute. Okay, kalau you takut, sebenarnya kalau kita tengok dekat sini, kalau ikut logik ni, ini adalah Vx, ini adalah Vy. So sepatutnya kita consider, kita dah tahu Vy ni sebenarnya adalah negatif. Kenapa negatif? Sebab direction dia adalah ke bawah. Okay, so kita masukkan dalam ni lah. Vx, you masukkan nilai Vx 5.45 kali 10 kuasa 6 kuasa 2 plus dengan 2.99 negative 2.99 times 10 to the power of 6 power of 2 then square root. So you will get the value of V is 6.22 times 10 to the power of 6 ms negative 1. So this is value for speed. Speed means that skala only consists magnitude sahaja. Okay. So last but not least is example 15. So we have two parallel plates are separated 5 mm apart. So the electric field strength between the plate is 1 times 10 to the power of 4 Newton per. So the potential difference between the plates, you just use formula delta V is equal to ED. So 1 times 10 to the power of 4, you times with 5 times 10 to the power of negative 3. So delta V is 50 volt. So the work done on the charge is work done is equal to Q naught delta V. So Q naught is 4 times 10 to the power of negative 9 because nano coulomb. So times with delta V is 50. So we get work done is 2 times 10 to the power of negative 7 joule. Okay, so make sure you complete all your past year question for chapter 1 electrostatic. Good luck. Assalamualaikum and bye-bye.